Hey everybody, it's Jeremiah again over at Riton University. Today we're talking a little bit about binoculars. Now there are a few features on binoculars that not everyone's aware of, so we're going to make sure that you guys are able to use these to the fullest. The first thing we're going to talk about are these eye cups. Guys, these will twist in and out. The reason for this, if you wear glasses, if you're a glasses wearer, you're going to want these all the way down and flat. That's going to give you the best view. If you don't wear glasses, like I don't wear glasses, so I'm going to crank these all the way out. And that's how I'm going to look through them. Secondly, there's a distance between your eyes here. You want to make sure that you have those lenses in the right spot. And you see how I can spread that out and change that. So I'm going to look at something far away. I'm going to push these or pull these together until I see one image together. If you see two images, one with each eye, then you probably don't have your distance correct. So keep messing with it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about a focus here on the right side. Okay, this is going to be a specialty focus, and this is how you're going to use it. You're going to look at something reasonably far away. I'm going to close my right eye that has this adjustment, and I'm going to focus with my center focus ring by rolling it back and forth. I'm going to focus on that target till it's perfectly clear. Now I'm going to close my left eye and I'm going to look through, and I'm going to adjust my ring here till it's perfectly clear. There it is. And now I open both eyes. Oh man, such a crisp view. So that's the way to maximize the clarity out of your binoculars. Any other question, guys, reach out to us. Thanks again for coming to Riton University.